I've been looking for the perfect LED lighted mirror for my bathroom, and this one has stolen the show. I looked through a ton of LED mirrors, and most of them are rimless, which is beautiful, so don't get me wrong, but the gold rim on this one is perfect. It's tying my bathroom together so beautifully. It's super elegant looking. It has two super easy and straightforward buttons, which I love. First, you have the defogging button. So if you're taking a hot and steamy shower, this is kind of a small bathroom, so it gets steamed up really bad. So if you turn this button on right before you get into the shower, you are going to have a steamless, clean mirror. So you can just get out and do the things that you need to do with the mirror. The other thing about this mirror is you have your lights. So it is front lit and backlit. It has 3 different modes of light. So you have your cool blue light, you have your warm mid light, and then you have your very warm light, which is what I have on right now. The warm light is my personal favorite. So the other really cool thing about this mirror is it's easy to turn off, and you can always see your buttons. They light up in the dark. So if you come in here in the dark and need to turn your light on, very easy to do. The other thing is if you hold this button, it will dim or brighten your light, and you can leave it to your desired dimness or brightness. It's a really cool feature. I love that. So you can also turn it to the other light. So this is the cooler one, and you can brighten it up. It's very bright. Then let's see, there's your really bright. You have a wide range of brightness and dimming for each of the colors. I think that's really great. I will get a lot of use out of this mirror. It's beautiful and gorgeous in my space. My vanity is about 55 inches long, and we went with a 48 by 32 inch, and it is perfect. So let's go ahead and test this fogging feature. Okay, as you can see, you've got your little box window right here where the anti-fogging is working, and it is very steamy in here. So that feature works really well. If you are looking for the perfect LED mirror for your bathroom, I definitely recommend this one. I'm very happy with it. If you're looking for one just like this, I'm going to put this one's link down in the description below.